Who wants to go to a free show? On Thursday, September 20th, John Eddie Productions presents the first national touring bands to come rock Oskar Blues in downtown Colorado Springs. We're excited to welcome Fayuca,
Maria Elena, this could be paradise if you would only let me in. This could be paradise if you would only let me win.
Of Good Nature,
You know you feel so good to me. Something just feels right now.
and local favorite Stray Sons. Live music starts at 6:30 p.m. Thanks to Performance Audio of Colorado Springs for providing staging, audio, and lighting for this show. We'll see you on September 20th at Oskar Blues. Get more information at coloradospringslivemusic.com.